Before the gunpowder was invented in the 8th century, Chinese people used sulfur and saltpeter to treat skin diseases, and as fumigant to kill insects before its advantage as a weapon was made clear. Gunpowder was invented by Chinese Taoist alchemists in the 9th century. Emperor Wu Di of the Han Dynasty supported the research done by the alchemists, believing these substances would encourage eternal life. The alchemists experimented with the sulfur and saltpeter, heating the substances in order to transform them. The charcoal from the gunpowder traditionally came from the willow tree. Sugar and charcoal were used as fuel. After the ingredients were ground together, it would result in a powder called serpentine. At some point, they attached bamboo tubes to arrows and launched them with bows. Soon they discovered that these gunpowder tubes could launch themselves just by the powder produced from the escaping gas, and the rocket was born. Before gunpowder, weapons were designed to the limits of the user's muscular strength, such as the bow and arrow, and also spears. But after gunpowder, they were designed more in response to tactical demand. Shortly after 1400 AD, smiths learned to combine the ingredients of gunpowder in water and grind them together as a slurry. The wet incorporation was more complete and uniform than dry mixing. After grinding, the slurry was processed in stamping mills. The sizes were about the size of grains of wheat or corn. Corn powder burned more uniformly and rapidly than serpentine. The result was a stronger powder that rendered many older guns. The first artillery was recorded to resemble an arrow with a wrapping around the shaft to provide a gas seal within the bore. The weapon was fired by applying a red-hot wire to a touchable drill through the top of the thickest part of the breech. In the 15th century, exploding shot was developed by filling hollow cast iron balls with gunpowder and fitting a fuse that had to be lit just before firing. The use of gunpowder has been gaining interest in the past, present, and maybe the future. So far, the future of gunpowder is unknown, since more advanced technology is rising, for example, the nuclear technology. Although gunpowder is being used greatly right now, it may not be useful in the future due to nuclear technology.